bracelet.
This one is nice.
Miss me. Oh my god. I don't want to go.
From 6:30 to 11 tomorrow. And day after tomorrow also until 11. It's because here weekend is Friday and Saturday. So the weekdays it's until 10:30.
Okay.
يا نتكم ما يجي بعد خلاص انت وين اوكي
Yeah.
Allow me to open the door.
Okay.
Allow me to go inside. Do not disturb sign. If you need to clean the room, you can turn on makeup room sign at the entrance. And my name is Nimali. It's my pleasure to meeting you and assisting you. Enjoy your stay with us.
So guys, it's officially day 1 in Qatar, Doha. No, Doha, Qatar, sorry. And I'm super excited because I got flowers yesterday. Have you been on a vacation and been welcomed with flowers? I guess not. So this is my flowers. I woke up this morning to a very beautiful view. Like the sun is bright, everything just complements. See beautiful girl now. Today is July 12th. Guess what? I was giving some pocket money. Hold on. Wow. I'm a rich nigger. Don't play. Don't play. Flowers and money. Oh. Like this is a real soft girl life. This is it. I wanna be living in this every day. And they're fresh though, they're fresh. So guys, I'll quickly go and have breakfast now. Get to the cake. I want to open the cake. It's this cake has a lot, like it's a labubu cake though. Let me just get this sorted. Okay, labubu. So guys, it's another day here in Qatar, and I'll be going for a spa date today. It's time for the spa date. I'm super excited. I've got 2 hours on this spa and I can't wait. I'm gonna change it to my bikini. We even have a private pool. Let me show you guys through the stairs. This is the private jacuzzi pool for 1 hour. I'm working on sunshine. Oh. So guys, I just finished my this top keeps going on. So guys, I just finished my spa session and it's time for the jacuzzi. Woo. I'm having a good vacation. I can't really make a video here because there'll be a lot of people there that don't want me to record them in Doha, but this is the full fit. I'll take the videos of the pool and all. I think the pool will be closing soon, so I have to hurry to get pictures. Hey guys, good morning. So this is like the second night, so it's the third morning, yeah, and I'm checking out to another hotel. I had a wonderful stay here, so let's go check out to another hotel because I'm enjoying my vacation. Checking. This is a new hotel. I just checked into my new hotel. This is for the birthday mood. This is for the birthday mood. So guys, I just came to shop for my concealer. I think I need the perfect shade. I need the perfect shade of my concealer.
Yeah. Let's try these 3 sheets now.
So have me test.
Is it okay? I'm going to check it here.
Okay.
Well, yes, it's better to check it here. Let me check it here.
Well, I have makeup on though.
No problem. So at least we can check. It's better than. This one is kind of light.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. You will use it here, right?
Yeah, and
Because I'm trying to cover the dark spot now.
okay, to check if it blends.
Yes, exactly.
Too light.
Yeah, that's why I'm removing it.
Yeah, I prefer. Where's the first one?
Yeah, this
Okay,
one, yeah.
that's like an option.
Yeah, one of the options. That's why I
Yeah.
have to remove this one because it's too white on you. And I have the last one. And that one it's too yellow on you.
Okay.
It's better the first one.
Yeah, the first one. I wanted to even say let's not try any other one again. But
You see, I even changed the color of your foundation. Can I cover it, that one?
yeah.
I like your perfume.
Thank you.
I think this one is
Yeah,
better.
it's perfect.
And it gives luminous also. You see?
Yeah. It's even complimenting my makeup already.
Anything else that you're looking? Lip oil or lip gloss?
I use a strawberry combo, then a gloss.
Actually, we have this one. Try this one. Just try it on. It's
Which
really
one?
nice on you. This. Cut your card. Alright, it's 98 here.
See the card.
Here's your concealer and the gold eyes.
Another more. I think my glasses broke yesterday and I don't know which one to get. Yeah, I think all these belongs. Oh, these are for sale. Hey guys, I was thinking this. I think I like the color of this. It's a cross bag and the color of this too. So, here's a look. Or I don't like those ones. I think I prefer the curtain. So another bag that makes complete sense. Like this is fine. I'm sure I won't go for this. I didn't even see these cards before making my choice. DKNY. I know bags a lot. So guys, I'm just trying to like shop. Fine.
1 real, 5 real for the education of Qatar.
I already gave you a free 1 real. Oh my god. So I think that should work.
Yeah, that's it. I think that's enough.
Guys, good morning. I've missed you guys so much. So I remember I told you guys that I checked out of this hotel to go to another hotel yesterday, but when I got there, the mood was off, the vibe was off, nothing was really suiting me there. I didn't even like the views of the hotel. But I'm back to my first hotel now, so I secured like 2 rooms in Doha, and that's interesting because I actually wasted money to lodge that hotel, and now I'm back to, they say value what you don't know what you have until you lose it. So vlog, it's my birthday morning. I'm feeling so blessed, I'm feeling so good, I'm feeling so happy. I want to vlog for the gifts I got for myself. Look at what I got yesterday. So I just want to make quick TikToks, quick videos. Later today I'll be going for the jet ski. I'm so happy. I've done the jet ski before in Tanzania, but not in Doha. So I'm going for jet ski again today. Then I might probably go to the banana island of Qatar. I don't know, under probability, but if I'm going to do that, it's going to be probably Tuesday or Wednesday, because I live here in 4 days. So I just want to utilize the little time I have left, take pictures, create content, vlog, be happy, because life is good. So guys, I'll get back to you on the jet ski. Do I need to get back on break? Okay, I might show the breakfast, but the next activity I'll be doing. So guys, it's time to hop on the jet ski.
Easy.
So guys, Woo. I'm having dinner at Sushi Samba, and this is the menu. Just trying to figure out what I can eat. How do you guys like my makeup? So guys, I just finished having dinner. My birthday dinner. This is how my plate looks like because I couldn't finish it. I took off my shoes though.
We don't talk anymore. We don't talk anymore. We don't talk anymore like we used to do. We don't laugh anymore.
To refresh your hands, and this is our consultation form where you will fill in your name, if you have any medical issues, and the areas of the body that you would like the therapist to concentrate on.
My face.
You're doing facial?
Yeah.
Okay, sure. So once you're ready, I'm just waiting outside. I'll take you to the changing area.
Alright, thank you.
Thank you. But the steam room now is not working. It's under maintenance, but this is the sound as well.
Okay.
was all before. Ooh, we don't talk anymore like we used to do. We don't talk anymore.
I'm going into the jacuzzi. Just want to wear my bikini. Wear my bikini. Pack my hair. Thank you.
Should I put that side or here?
No. Yeah, put the water that way, but I need a straw.
Hair cup.
No, I'm fine. I use the hair clip. So this is my bikini set. Okay. When I'm done, I'm going to show you guys the full look. I think this bikini is big. It's rare to see a very, very big bikini. But it's okay. I can manage anything. Okay guys, this is the full look. This is how it looks. I need to get my phone. I don't think there's a need for this, but I'll use it later. Well, give me some. Content time. Thank you.
Room number, please.
What?
Room number. Sorry, but the food is already closed.
sushi samba, and I'm having the best time of my life today because I'm having a night swim. I ordered some cocktails by the pool. I'm wearing a bikini, so I just put on this towel. Because my camera isn't so clear because it's night. But yeah, I am having a nice time. So guys, I'm so pressed. I need to use the toilet private. I need this toilet to be a banger. It's a banger. I told you guys I was going to be shopping throughout this trip. It's another day in Qatar, and
which one you need? This one or this one?
this one was 175.
This one for this one 175. This one 175. This one 170.
117, yes.
Ah, 170.
170.
She need this one. I will go up.
Okay, yeah.
This one. This one is this one. You see?
I like this though. Wait. I like this.
Ah, this one is this one. You need this one, sir? Mafi.
How much is this?
The item mafi. Only tester. Only tester. Mafi the item. We don't have stock finish.
Oh, this is finished.
Yes.
This one is
Yes. This one for 75 is the same color. You can't make it 5 real. Same color.
But full coverage.
Yes, full cut. But this one, this.
No, this is that. That's the same.
Yes. Only this one, mom.
Yeah, I think. So guys, I'm going for shopping again today. This is my outfit. This is the full fit. Colors are really fun. So guys, I just finished shopping and I'm going home. Good night. So guys, this are my birthday gifts. Join me to unbox the birthday gifts. These are bags that I shopped. Bella Rose. These are all my gifts though. All the gifts I received. So, birthday is over. guys are definitely completed. Birthday is over, and I want to unbox my birthday gifts. Like, I have a lot. This, let me just do it physically. Let's get it. So this is the Espa. I got this facial cleanser because I have some pimples, if you can see. So I got this from a friend. One man. So guys, this is the second one. Let me save this for the last because this is the mind-blowing gift. Let me save it. So I also went to shop at Sephora and I got this Dior perfume. And I got this Lacombe concealer. You guys can see it. It's Lacombe concealer. I'll make a proper video. Then luckily for me, Sephora was on a good sale, so I got 3 free gifts. I think they are just oil perfumes. That is a good thing, right? They gave me some free gifts. So guys, the next on our list. I got a lot of bags though. Oh, I have this chocolate. I'm coming. See, I got this chocolate. Cookies. I got this chocolate. I love chocolates though. There's nothing. You guys know I had a birthday cake and flowers earlier. I already posted that. The flowers, I don't know where they are, but the cake is still here. It's already halfway. Moving on. This is also going to be saved for the last. But guys, guess what? I got a new Apple Watch. But I'm gonna save it for the last though. The unboxing for the last and the mind-blowing gift for the last. So let me show you guys the bags. So let's continue, babies. So the next thing on our birthday shopping series was this. I love this bag so much. It's from Dune London. Dune. Let's open it. Unboxing my shopping items. I hope you guys are subscribing to my vlog though. I love this bag so much because it's like good for my school. It can handle. I like big bags though, but I didn't get a lot of it. I just got one because I'll use it for my school. I think I contain my laptop. I like the size and the color. I haven't had a nude cream colored bag. What is here? They also gave me a long rope, but I don't think I'll be using it because I basically bought it to be using this handle as a matured student that I am, a faithful student. Like, I've never really received a lot of gifts on my birthday before, and I'm so happy. Let me just be putting them at the back. So the next birthday gift, I love this bag. This is the only product I got from Adore because of the color. I love this bag. I've not had this color before. I never liked dark brown, but you see this, it was captivating when I saw it at the shop, so I went for this. This is a very expensive bag though. Like, it cost me a fortune. It cost him a fortune. So guys, do you like it? See? And that is it for this. I think this is the bag that's making me so happy. The next on the list is one bag I can never borrow anybody. You see, if you see me with this bag, don't say please let me. I'm not giving. You guys see, this is heavenly. This is classic. This should be best from DKNY. Yeah, DKNY. I love the color mixture. You see this vintage scarf tie on it. I think it's making it give so luxury. And this, what do you guys think? It's just so good to have bags. I think by now you should be calling me a bag lover because I love the color of this bag. It's small, but my dear, it's from DKNY too. You can see, you can just fit it into luxury. DKNY. I've never had a very bright colored bag before, but I think this is it. This should be quality. This should be amazing. This should be classy. This should be giving expensive. Then I have this bag. I don't really like this bag much, but the color is what just sold it out for me. The color is what sold it out for me. I think it's also a Dune bag. See? From Dune London. This is the color. I just love the white color and the size. It's like giving portable, something I can wear for a dinner date or something. So I just had to actually appreciate this. I love this bag. So let's roll back to, let me drop all the time. Your time has expired. It's time for the mind-blowing gift. It's time for the mind-blowing gift. You guys want to see the mind-blowing gift? Hold on to the vlog. Nigeria, you guys miss me. I don't miss Nigeria. I like where I am. I like Qatar. Who has this bag? Who has this? Which bag has this nylon? Whew, the mind-blowing gift. In 3, 2, 1. I got I got a diamond bracelet. Wow. Ingot. It's from Ingot, guys. So paper. Diamond bracelet. Wow. Like this is good. Guys, take a look. It has a light, a battery. Wow. Thank you, baby. I feel like crying. I got a diamond bracelet. This is my first diamond piece, guys. And I got it on my birthday. This has to be a very blessed birthday for me. I love it so much. I really appreciate. And this is the receipt. In case I need it at the airport, so in case the airport people demand for it, you know, it's like a gold. I'm moving gold in Arab countries. They might demand for a receipt or something, so I had to actually get hold of the payment receipt so that when I'm going back to Nigeria, if they actually ask me for it, I can be able to provide it. So the last but not the least, you guys know how many times I've suffered from an iWatch. I've bought an iWatch 3 times. It always ends up breaking. Usually the screen, I repair and I can't get a hold of it. I've had a lot of iWatches, Series 4 and Series 3, because now then my money feel reach normally. Then I stopped even buying iWatch. I started wearing bangles to substitute for a watch on my left wrist. But guys, guess what? I got a watch. And I pray sincerely that this watch does not break. I'm going to pamper this watch like a baby. I got a Series 10. Woo! I got a Series 10. See, I'm unboxing it already. Guys, you people see it on Instagram. I don't want to unbox it. I want to record the unboxing. Unboxing. So guys, that is all for my birthday gifts. Please subscribe to my vlog. I hope you guys miss me. I'll be going to Nigeria soon. I'm going to Nigeria soon. I don't want to go home. I should never go home. That was in my birthday vlog. No, not the end of the vlog. The end of the unboxing though. See you guys later. Bye. Let me go and freshen up a break. My birthday dinner, and I'm super excited to be in Qatar. See my views. This is my view. Are you guys seeing my room view? And back to my face. I want to go and wash up my makeup because I'm tired. I've been creating content for you guys. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Now that will keep me going. Anyways, my makeup was pretty today. It's paining me down to clean this off. And I still have a lot to do in Qatar though. But I'm leaving soon. It's painful to always be going back to Nigeria after a sweet vacation. So So guys, good night. See you guys tomorrow. It's officially my last day here in Doha. I've had a wonderful stay. I literally just woke up. See, I just woke up and I'm going for my last breakfast. So I'm boarding by 1 a.m. tonight and I'll leave the hotel by 9 p.m. Hi guys, how do I look this morning? It's my last day. I'm so happy. I had a lot of shopping. I had a lot of fun. I did more of swimming and shopping this vacation because I've been to Doha before, so all those activities, visiting the mall, visiting this, I've done a lot the last time I came. So I believe I just wanted to rest this vacation and I'm super happy I was able to achieve that. Thanks to y'all for watching the full vlog, for subscribing, for making me feel so wow. Look at someone doing the jet ski over there. So guys, thank you so much. I had fun. I did the jet ski too, but I love doing jet ski, sha. So guys, let's pack my bags and wait for 9 p.m. It's 10 a.m. this morning now. Let's pack my bags and wait for 9 p.m. for the takeoff. Let's go. I want to go for breakfast first because I must eat though. I must eat, my dear. Qatar Doha. You guys know this popular hotel here. Heading back to Lagos by 1 a.m. and it's 10 p.m. now. Thank you for watching the vlog. Bye.